Welcome to Divine Creations channel. Today we're going to do a dollar store DIY, and here are all the things you would need. Well, not necessarily all, but this is what I picked up today from the store. This is going to be a simple and easy DIY, perfect for your home or office decor. So here I'm going to paint my flower pots black. You can choose whatever color you like, but I chose black. And I'm just going to carefully paint the sides and the bottom. As you see, the paint goes on very easily, but I did do 2 coats of black acrylic paint that I bought from Michael's. Now I'm going to lay out all my pieces that I'm going to need. I love to stay organized so that I don't forget any step. I also chose to paint a box from the dollar store black also. So here's what it looks like once you put the bling wrap around the flower pots. I thought it was a great addition, and I love bling. So here we have our foam boards. I am measuring them out up against the mirror to cut them out. I also measured out my bling so that when it's time to wrap it, it will be all measured properly. So here I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm going to put some on the foam board and on the back of the mirror and press firmly. Please notice that I did use 3 foam boards. I just wanted to make sure that it was going to be secure and high enough to allow the bling wrap to go around. All right, now I'm going to apply some hot glue around the foam board as carefully as I possibly can because this is very hot. So as you see, it did start to drip, so I said, okay, let's change this. Perfect. Now we're going to add the glue to the foam board all the way around. As you see, it's very simple and easy to wrap your bling on the board. You simply add some glue. Be careful because it will come through the bling wrap. But it's fairly easy. I'm just going to add some glue, press down, and do this all the way around the foam board. I absolutely love how this turned out. It has a lot of weight to it. It's sturdy. It's very pretty. It can be used in any home decor or office decor. Check this out. Completed project. Very nice. I added some Dollar Tree flowers. I believe each pot is holding 3 flowers. I just trimmed them down. Very nice. Very elegant. And here you can see the black box. I did add some bling wrap around and some Dollar Tree flowers. And I also added some vinyl to the front of my flower pot. Thanks for watching.